So my next question is, what advice would you give to existing students and new students at TS4U'S private bootcamp to become successful? 3 or 4, maybe 5.
So to become successful, yeah, as I said, everyone, they have their own way to learn, own way to, like go through. So the best thing is you have to come here with the full mindset that, yeah, I have to, anything happen, I have to be complete that, because during this journey, there is a lots of ups and downs. Sometimes you just feel it like frustrated. Sometimes you are just stuck with one workshop for a 15 or 20 days. So on that time, you will just feel demotivated. You will feel, okay, this is not for me. I cannot do that. So there is no way to think like that, because as I believe that as a human being, nothing is impossible, So that's why if you just came here with the mindset, anything happen, I have to complete that, I have to finish that, then you can do it. Because if you just, like set your mind from very beginning, okay, if it's very hard, is very that, is that I cannot do that, then there is a no way you can just complete that. So first you have to set your mind, anything happen, I have to complete that. This is the first, rules for being a successful. And the second thing, yeah, you have to be committed with yourself, because as our is, we don't have parents here to say, okay, so go, why don't you study, go for your study, why don't you do this? There is no one to say you like this. So you have to push yourself, because as we are just working as a full-time, we have our family, we have your baby, sometimes we feel, okay, so no, this is not for me, or I'm just getting tired. Yeah, this will be happen, and of course you will get tired with everything, but end of the day you have to push yourself. Because if you do your hard work right now, and then after like 1 year, once you just when you have a job, then you can just like give yourself a rest, give yourself a vacation, you can do whatever you want. So for rest of your 40 years being a good life, you have to be work hard in this 1 year.
That is true. I have nothing to say. Thank you.